Alright, good afternoon guys, and in yesterday's video we did create two tables, which is student and address, and we did map address to student with many to many relationship. So in today's vlog we'll try to create the rest of the tables. We did left with 4 or 5 tables right now, so we'll complete that in today's video. In yesterday's vlog was kinda not very good because many of the footages were not working on my laptop because of the format. So what I used was I used iPhone to record all my videos, and when I transfer it to the laptop, it says compatibility issues or the video is not compatible, something like that. I did have to reformat it to MP4 using third-party websites, and it didn't work out quite well. I lost many of the quality videos. Even some videos were playing like sluggish or buggy. So in today's vlog we'll completely shoot with Androids. So let's start. So these are the tables we are left with: courses, enrollment, instructors, and course instructor. And now let's start the SQL. So for that, sudo I also do need to run the docker. So docker start. I need to start the exe server. So exe server. So for that the command is docker start oracle exe. So our Oracle server has been started, and you can see above the SQL developer has also started. So let's start developing the tables. So we did complete it with the instructors, assigning it to course instructors assigned to instructors. So you can see the course IDs 301, 303, 305, 302 and 305 and linked to instructor ID 401, 401, 402, 403. So if we further run this query, we get the students who are enrolled in following courses, and if we run this one, it will show the instructor who are assigned to the particular course. Also, if we run this query, it will show the student name, their course assigned with, their instructor name, their street, city and enroll date. So that's all, guys. We did completed all the mappings and all 6 tables are mapped with each other. Thanks for watching.